cars safer by improving grip and helping drivers stop faster in emergencies. It's driving upside down, Amber. What's going on here?
I don't know how I feel about that.
It's like a roller coaster.
I was just thinking that, and you would have to have some seriously good restraints in that vehicle. I mean, not just your normal seat belt. I almost think you'd have to have just like everything like you would in a roller coaster.
Yeah.
Maybe not the super tough ones, but you know, just like
You got to make sure you have a good coffee lid
crisscross.
too. You don't want your coffee spilling.
Oh, see, I
that?
always lose my lids, and I always have an open lid in my car. Or sometimes I just bring a big old mug into work.
You want to be able to do that?
My ramen noodle mug that
The
I have.
ramen noodle mug with coffee in it.
Oh,
Iconic.
man. I've spilled so much coffee in my car, though. It's not a good thing.
You're not alone in that. I'm sure a lot of people out there
yes.
can relate.
I'm sure they
that's
can.
for sure.
So let's go ahead and take a look at this traffic situation. This is on the southwest side in the westbound lanes at 465 near Man Road, where we do have a crash that is blocking at least 2 lanes in the westbound direction. It's quite an active scene. There's also a vehicle that is between the interstate itself and the off-ramp from the interstate. So just be careful getting through that area. Expect delays because we're already seeing a backup with the red showing up on the speed sensors. At least there are still some lanes open to traffic at this time, but traffic is moving slowly on the southwest side on 465. Let's take a look at weather conditions now. Skies are mostly cloudy. We are tracking widely scattered showers to the north, only an isolated shower chance south of the Indianapolis area. Raining in Marion. We also have showers Wabash, Kokomo. It is raining in the Frankfort area too. Widely scattered within Delaware County, and now Alexandria picking up on that light shower activity too. Showers around early on in the day. Skies are going to brighten by the afternoon with this wave of activity pushing away from central Indiana. There is still a boundary that is nearby, and that is why we have clouds across the state and having that rain chance around at least early on in the day. Let's show you Futurecast. This is 9 o'clock in the morning where we still have that slight shower chance. Notice by midday we'll have broken cloud cover, skies turning mostly cloudy to partly sunny as temperatures rise into the mid to upper 80s by the time we head into the afternoon. 71 for the temperature in Indianapolis right now. Winds are out of the north at 8 miles per hour. Mid to upper 60s across the northern half of the state, still in the lower 70s across south central Indiana. 80 degrees, 2 o'clock this afternoon. We should have high temperatures in the mid 80s as we get closer to 5 p.m. High near 87 degrees. It's also going to stay humid throughout the day today, and winds will be out of the east northeast 6 to 12 miles per hour. Symphony on the Prairie happening tonight at Conner Prairie, and the theme for tonight is John Williams and Friends. That'll be a good one. Mostly cloudy skies throughout the evening hours. Temperatures near 80 at 9 o'clock rather, and by 10 p.m. we should be near 78 degrees. Lows tonight in the lower 70s, mostly cloudy with a limited shower chance. Light winds out of the south. Through the weekend, highs in the mid 80s. Notice on both days a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. On Saturday in particular, there is a threat for severe weather, a level 2 of 5. That is a slight risk zone for much of the state. And that is because some of the storms that we see on Saturday may become severe. Primary threat would be damaging winds associated with a squall line that is going to arrive for the afternoon hours. Also the threat for flash flooding with the heavy downpours and the recent rainfall that we have been seeing. 86 Sunday and Monday, chance for isolated storms Monday. By Wednesday and Thursday, we rise into the 90s with heat indices in the hundreds. Melissa?
All right, Amber.